See, mommy misses you. See, mommy misses you. I miss you, baby, I miss you. Missing you hurts. I wish I could hold you tight, ask you simple questions like, did you eat today? How are you? How was your day?
Now, pause. It's time to rap and flow. I find myself asking Marshall Makhubo weird questions like,
Marshall, can we stop time and rewind? I miss my daughter. Can I be mad at God? Marshall sits there and listens to me, then offers words of comfort. Z will come back safe. Then I break down and cry. I miss you, baby, I miss you. Missing you hurts. Mommy misses you, darling. Sing, oh, I need you. Z, I need you. I miss you. Please come back home.
I miss spending every minute with you. I wish I could hear your voice or
Hear you sing Marshall Makhubo song. Z, life is hard without you. Please come back home. Z, mommy needs you. Please come back home.
I miss spending every minute with you. I wish I could hear your voice or hear you
Sing Marshall Makhubo song.